possibility of many hazards must be faced when working offshore, including fire, explosions, catastrophic weather conditions, and personnel overboard. In answer to these hazards, the Whittaker Corporation presents its 28-man, 14-man, and 50-man Whittaker survival systems. Whittaker survival capsules are totally enclosed, fire-resistant, foam-buoyant, fully approved, diesel-powered lifeboats which, with proper training, can be safely operated by all personnel aboard. In an emergency, the first man to reach the capsule opens the doors, boards it, and starts the engine. When all hands are aboard, the doors are closed, the upper hatch is open, and the launch lever is pulled to initiate the launch. The capsule will descend automatically with no power or deck assistance required. The survival capsule is a sheltered elevator for the men to reach the water in and, once in the water, a vessel in which to escape the disaster area. When waterborne, the capsule is released from the lowering cable by actuating the release ratchet mechanism from within the capsule. The capsule has instant steerage. In the open sea, the capsule is able to head in any direction, regardless of sea conditions. In a drifting mode, the capsule, being round, is relatively unaffected by the sea direction, in contrast to a conventional boat-shaped vessel, which must head into heavy seas to remain stable. Whittaker survival capsules have been demonstrated to be particularly effective in the rescue of a man overboard, where quick recovery is essential to prevent drowning or death from hyperthermia. The unique characteristics of the capsules make it possible to quickly board, lower, launch, and to retrieve a person from the water with safety in only a few minutes. The recovery of a survival capsule after a drill is simple. The capsule is hooked to the cable, and the man who is left aboard for after-drill recovery closes the switch to start the electric winch to retrieve the capsule. Once in position, the capsule is ready once again for any emergency launch. To provide training in a man overboard recovery drill, the 14-man capsule is launched into a rough sea. In its La Mesa, California facility, the Whittaker Corporation produces the survival systems. The capsules are fabricated using fire-resistant polyester resins, reinforced with fiberglass, using the latest in fabrication techniques. After final assembly, each capsule is completely inspected and tested prior to delivery. An oxygen regeneration system is provided so that the capsule can be sealed in a contaminated atmosphere. In addition, each capsule is equipped with standard survival gear, including flare gun, parachute flares, and smoke canisters. Food and water sufficient for the complement of the capsule for 5 days at sea are also provided. In their new 50-man capsule, Whittaker Corporation has incorporated all the knowledge gained from experience with over 600 of the 28-man and 14-man capsule systems currently in service around the world. Maneuvering, speed, and endurance tests demonstrate the advantages of the Whittaker design. The slightly elongated hull design provides the additional speed required for international shipboard use, and the single hook design retains the quick, safe launch and retrieval characteristics of Whittaker Corporation's previous systems. To verify their structural integrity and to obtain governmental certification, all three capsule models were required to undergo a series of United States Coast Guard specified tests. Fully loaded capsules were dropped 10 feet into the water, slammed into a concrete abutment, and then driven away under their own power. The maneuverability of the 50-man capsule is such that it may be controlled and steered easily in close quarters. Excellent visibility is provided for the operators with the large doors and hatches opened or closed. The capsule may be operated from the stern or the bow and has convenient large hatches on the top for safe retrieval procedures during the training drills. To aid in fire protection, a motor-driven sprinkler system has been provided to cool the exterior in a fire environment. All three capsules underwent a similar series of tests with the same excellent results. The 28-man capsule was loaded with 5,000 pounds of lead and completely flooded with water to illustrate its ability to remain afloat even in this severe condition. To illustrate its ability to be used as an air-sea rescue type vessel, the capsule was flown at a speed of 100 knots, dropped 30 feet to the water. The capsule was recovered from the water by the same helicopter. This air-sea rescue operation could be performed from virtually any land-based operation, further demonstrating the capsule's flexibility. In this fire test, conducted to help set world fire test standards for lifeboats, external temperatures exceeded 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Yet it was determined that the environmental conditions in the capsule were kept at levels that would safely support human life. The capsule was tethered in an oil-covered test basin to simulate the worst possible fire conditions without the benefit of waves, wind, or relative motion of the capsule through the water. The capsule was fully instrumented to periodically sample air purity and measure temperature in all parts of the capsule. A video camera was installed to visually monitor the condition of the white mice on board, the engine instruments and controls, engine air supply, air sampling instrumentation, and general interior condition of the capsule. Inspection of the capsule following the fire and reduction of environmental test data revealed no failures that would have been detrimental to human survival for the period of the test. All windows, doors, and seals remained intact, and the diesel engine had continued to operate throughout the test in a normal manner. The most severely burned parts of the capsule showed only 1/8 inch of laminate deterioration in the sponson area, which had no sprinkler water protection. Since more than 1/2 inch of the sponson material remained intact and undamaged, the strength of the hull was virtually unaffected. The Whittaker survival system is used throughout the world in most all the major oil and gas-producing areas. Experience has shown that it can survive severe storm and sea conditions. Its most important advantages are safe single-line launch, even in adverse sea conditions. Very stable design. Simple to operate. Safe to train with. Proven protection from exposure and fire. Easily recovered after drills or man-overboard rescue operations. Sales, service, training personnel, and repair facilities available worldwide. The Whittaker survival systems represent space-age technology as applied to survival at sea and are manufactured and distributed by the Whittaker Corporation.